Boom, baby.
I'm live?
Yep.
You're joking. Am I live?
Yes.
Okay, I'm live. Hey guys, I'm Terrence. I gotta be somewhat right. Okay, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus at 3330 Cobb Parker Street 154 in Acworth, Georgia. And Kat was reminding me that tomorrow. See, I thought it was the 11th, but tomorrow is the last day for the buy one get one half off. So if you see a computer here, you buy one, you get one half off. So I'm like just looking here, check this out, Kat. So like this laptop is $378. Now we do have the rent to own program, but this one's right off the bat is $378. I think you were showing someone yesterday this laptop, right, Kaylin? Yeah, so it's $378. It's a 17-inch screen, great for mom, great for dad, great for Nana. You buy this for $378, and then I see this other one. This one is actually $200. You can buy this for $99. So it'd be great for a kid, great for someone that needs just that light surfing. Everything we hear gives a 90-day warranty, so do not have to worry about how long is it. We got you covered for 90 days. You do get a charger because, right? Like people ask us like, do I get a charger? It's such a good deal. Do I get a charger? What's the catch? What's the catch? It's like, yes, no, you get a charger.
Well, some of the ones from Best Buy with the used ones, remember?
No charger. Yeah.
Where they haven't gotten a charger.
Like, come on. Like, yes, we're going to make sure that you are taken care of for any of your technical needs, whether it's running a business, whether you are using it for school. We are going to make sure that you get the laptop that you need, and we offer great programs as far as our rent to own. Now, if you want more information on that, go on our website at computersplususa.com. Click the purchase options, and right, Kat, they can get started.
Mm-hmm.
And just as an example, like, because I know what we used to do, like, because there's like, if you do the buy one, if you do the rent to own, you can do a monthly or a weekly, right? And sometimes weekly is like $8 a week, right? It's like very dirt cheap, and it has a 3-month early payoff. So it gives you that flexibility of being able to, not put that cash up all up front. We got a bunch of desktops. Kat, isn't it that's like a wall of desktops, right? Some are going for like $25, $30. They're like i5s, 4 gigs of RAM, all those different things that you may need for your business or for yourself. If you just need something basic, so many times we get different customers that say, look, Terrence, I don't spend $1,000 on something that I'm just going to use here for there. And we're like, great, we got you guys covered. We can get you something that is affordable, that is going to get you to do what you need to do. Windows 10 is going to be supported till 2025. So if you're on Windows 10, stay there. I mean, Windows 11 is great, but I'm just going to tell you right now, being frank, they're having some issues. I know they're going to work it out, but they're preparing for Windows 12 that's going to come out. So you may want to stick with Windows 10 and then just try to see where that goes, because that is going, yeah, we do have some all-in-ones here. Do a little swing around, Kat. We have some all-in-ones. This one in particular, it's really cool. I like it because it has a built-in webcam. Look out, that is so awesome. It pops up and pops down. You can just say, hey, turn it off and turn it back on. So this is going for $504. You can also get the buy one, get one half off. So if you see this one, you see something else, you get half off. This one is going for $342. It's an i5. Max is 16 gigs of RAM, 128 SSD. We can
that one maxes at 32.
That one's at 32? Oh, we got a misprint there. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
That one is at 16. That one maxes at 32.
Are my glasses? I think my glasses. So it maxes at 32. Thank you, Kat, for reminding me. Yes, so this maxes out for 32 gigs. This maxes out for 32 gigs. This is a desktop if you need something simple, something easy. This is 252, 1 terabyte hard drive, 4 gigs of RAM. We can upgrade this to 16 gigs of RAM for virtually a very good deal. So we got a great different products. Hey, Kat, swing me around here. Hey, I want to talk about some of the other products because we're just not here just for laptops or desktops. We also got some really cool things that people are like, I never knew you had that. You know what, Kat? I'm going to just run over here. And so these are really cool. And I know it's been a minute since some people have seen these and probably said, do you guys still carry those? These are MP3 sunglasses. And if you like doing yard work, like I love doing yard work. I love being outside, cutting the grass, cutting the weeds and getting all all that, huh?
No,
I'm sweating like a hound dog. I'm like a dark M&M. So, hey, take some M&Ms, right? Put a brown one out, put a yellow one out, see which one's going to melt first. I can guarantee you that brown one will. So these are really cool. Let me take these off. So if you're like doing some yard work, and let me take these out too. And you want to get away from your phone because sometimes when we're in our zone, we just don't want to be bothered by any phone calls. You can upload music and, do your yard work.
Very, very
Like that, you can do your yard work. It looks kind of like the Terminator, you know, and you just, there's your speakers right there. So these are just one of the items that we have here at Computers Plus. Another one that we have is, so if you have kids and you want to, and you know, you're trying to get them to, you know, not be afraid of the dark. And this is a cool light. It's LED. It's so bright. My son has it. When he turns it on, I'm like, turn off that, please. Just turn it off. But it's really great for like seniors, or maybe you have that closet that doesn't have a light. If you have maybe like an older home and you want a light with a closet, perfect thing. $5. You beat the $5. Awesome. All right, let's move around here. Now for the gamers, we love gamers. We love you gamers. I mean, that's where our passion is as well. We do custom PCs, so if you're looking to build that custom PC, come to Computers Plus. We're going to walk you through the whole process. We're not just going to throw you out there and just like, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Caitlin's scared me. I'm going to get right there because that's, you probably saw that post on some books that we got. So really cool to really get information as far as if you want to increase your information technology. We got some books for you guys. But gaming, so we got headsets, we got mics, we can basically build you what you want. If you think it, dream it, we can build it. We'll walk you through the whole process, step by step. Make sure we stay within your budget. And again, that rent-to-own program helps out a lot. And come around here, we got some apples. I'm moving so fast. Can you guess me? Can you guess me? Can you guess me? Okay. So we got some books here. C+ algorithm. You're like a teenager and you want that programming for teens, right? Get them off the computer and teach them how to learn the computer. So I think I've almost covered everything other than just that sale. It still goes until Saturday, Kat, right? Tomorrow. And today is Friday, so you got a computer, bring it in by Friday. We close at 7 o'clock and we can diagnose it. Let you know if it's fixed. It was good. I'm Terrence, computer concierge.